just yet, right? We have a few things that have to get done first.
Yeah.
So in this case, right, this is where we last left off. We're starting on a brand new day. It is finally Friday. It is payday. It is the last day of the week for Coffee Cafe. Okay, so we will be closing up pretty soon. But in this case, right, we're on June 28th. It is Friday. Last thing that we last entered in was the in-store sales that occurred on Thursday. So yes, we are starting a brand new day, and we are currently still at the very bottom of page 18 here. So let's see what happened next. We end up receiving a payment from Great Restaurant for invoices 104, check number 4512. Okay. So what has happened here?
So we get check-in to make a deposit.
Right? We received money. We received a payment from our customer. So yes, we will be needing checking.
And then we go subside ledger to see the payment term with them.
Okay. Oh.
And then how much they actually have to pay us, so we
Okay.
can credit them collectively.
Okay. So customers. Okay. This is Great Restaurant, and they're paying for invoice number 104. So this one right here, they're going to be paying this one. So how much do they owe me?
55605.
Good.
Then it's still in June that they are paying, so they definitely made a discount date.
Yes, right here, right? Because we gave them the opportunity to give them a 1% discount if they pay within 10 days of their delivery, right? So in this case, they had all the way up to July 2nd to pay. They decided to pay even earlier and pay us on the 28th of June. So in this case, we have to grant them their 1% discount, right? So then if I'm going to be giving them a discount, how should my journal look like? Or in this case, let's figure out what that discount is first, how much money we're going to be receiving, and so on and so forth. So how much should my sales discount be?
So it's 1% of 556.05.
And what does 556.05 include?
Delivery charge.
It includes a delivery charge. Can we discount delivery charges?
No.
No.
So we need to subtract $30 from it.
Yes, because if that's the case, if you know that the delivery charge was $30, then yes. But if you did not know it was $30, you can always look at your sales order. This was invoice number 104, and you can determine exactly what the actual invoice entailed, right? It entailed this $246.75 was $279.30 without the $30 charge of the delivery fee, then yes, right? So you'd be technically at 32605.
Yes.
Okay? So what is 1% of that?
So the 1% of $526.05 is $5.26.
Okay, so in this case, we're only allowing a 1% discount, so discount. Okay. Let me do equal round real quick for, what was it, 526.05?
Yes. Times.
Okay. So I get $5.26 worth of a discount.
Yeah.
So then how much should I be receiving a check from them?
So 556.05 minus 526 is 550.79.
Okay, and is that true? If I were to go ahead and process that, they only owe me $585.87, which is their invoice number 109.
Yes.
Okay,
So now, could we finish that
sure.
row since we already know check number 64512? It's 28. Payment check number 4512. And it's invoice 104. And then page general 18, yeah.
Okay, good.
And then now we know general journal. So they paid us 55079. Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. And then it's a sales discount we are giving.
$46,000 sales discount.
Yes. Yes. And then we are reducing account receivable in credit for 55605.
Right, because we're going to reduce the amount that they owe.
Yes.
For the
And then we can
55605. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, 556. So the debit and credit evens out. And then now we write great restaurants. Payment invoice 104. And then I wrote we gave them 1% discount.
Uh,
And check number 4112. Oh, 4112. Oh, 4512. Yeah. And then we can go to the deposit receipt. And then we can write check number 4512554 55079. And then it's still the beginning of the day, so I'll just leave it as is. And then we can go to the general ledger to the asset to update the checking. And then we say 628 received the payment, invoice number 104, check number 4512, page 18, and 55079. and we have $6,183.95.
Good.
And then we go to the sales discount, which is, I believe, revenue.
Yes, because it's a culture account.
Yeah. And then 628. I just wrote 1% discount. Is it better to write that? And the invoice number 104.
Mm-hmm.
And then General Journal 18 and 5. Oh, I forgot.
$5.26. It's on your journal.
Okay, 526. Okay, 526. And now the amount is $1,884.85. And then we go to assets again, and then update the account receivable in credit.
So here's my account receivable account. Today is the 28th. Right, receive payment on invoice number 104.
Check number 4512 on page 18, and it's credit 556.05. And now that rounds, it's $2,004.37.
Okay, good.
And then we already update the subledger for the account, so I think we are done.
Mm-hmm. Right, a payment doesn't affect anything.
Yeah.
Just only affects our checking account. Okay. So then here, Albert needs to submit an order to Super A Market. Okay, so again, order number 110. Okay, to Super A Market. This is what they want from us. They want 65 pounds of regular coffee, 50 pounds of Supreme coffee, and 18 ceramic coffee mugs. And they want it to be delivered on the 30th of June. Okay, here's their estimated total.
We just need to fill the sales order on the subledger.
Mm-hmm. So in this case, let's go ahead and see. This is sales order number
110.
to Super A Market.
Yes.
Okay. They want all of the above.
Yes. So it's 65 pounds and 50 pounds and 80 mugs. The estimated total is 533.17.
Okay, 533 and 17 cents. So let's take a look. I have to deliver 109, 10. So okay. So here are in-store sales. In-store sales. So your journal's not going to have enough space to squeeze in your sales, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, nope, definitely not. So I'm going to draw my line here so then I can start my sales on the next page here. So we're going to be on page 19. This page 18, there's not enough space to put in that journal. Okay, you can put a line there, you can black them out. However way that you can be able to prevent anybody from adding a transaction, because that's a lot of space. Okay, so there you go. We're going to start on the new general journal, page 19. Okay, we sold 240 cups of the regular medium coffees, and we did 200 of the large regular coffees. Then we sold 245 of the medium supreme and 201 of the large supreme, and 5 ceramic coffee mugs, and collected $199.82. So in this case, another slow day. Okay, we only earned $26.21.91. So all right. So how much medium regular coffee did we sell?
$477.60. It's $5.98 for large, $610.05 for medium, $701.49 for large, and mug is $34.95. And then sales tax is $199.82 for the grand total of $2621.91.
Okay, let's see, 26.21.91. Good, no typos there. Okay.
And so now we go to the deposit tab again. And then in-store sale $2621.91.
Okay.
And it's June 28th. And then it's slip number 13. And grand total is $3,172.70.
Good.
And so now we go to the general ledgers. And for that deposit. And then it's the asset checking. So it's 628 in-store sale. Page 19 now. It's 2621.91. Now grand total is $8,805.86.
Good.
And then we go to the revenue.
There you go. Medium regular coffee.
So it's 628, 240, page 19. $477.60. Grand total is $4276.51.
Good. 42.76.51.
Yes. And for large, 628, 200 cup, page 19, and 598 even. And then grand total is 5,262.40.
Excellent. Next.
And then premium medium, 240 June 28th, 245 cup, and page 19, 610.05. And grand total $5,438.16.
Okay, good. 5, 4, 38, 16. Good.
Yes. And then for the large stream, 628, 201 cup, page 19, and $701.49. Give us $6,055.15.
Good.
And
60,
then we
55,
go,
15. Go ahead.
yes. And then we go up for the mug, 628, 5 cup, page 19, 34.95. Grand total $1,543.30.
Good. 15, 43, and 30 cents.
Yeah. And then we go to the liability for sales tax payable. And which is 20, yeah, it's 199.82. And it's $1,636.59.
Good.
And that's the end of it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Here tells us that we used 40.5 pounds of regular coffee and 41 pounds of Supreme coffee. So 40.5 for regular and 41 even for the Supreme coffee. Okay. So here I'm on my regular coffee. I used 40.5 pounds here at $1.636042. So what's my grand total cost of goods sold for my regular coffee?
It's $66.26.
So then, if I update my inventory, 96 minus 40 and a half.
We have 55 pounds and a half
Okay.
for $90.80.
Okay, 90.80.
Yes.
Good. So we used $66.26 of their regular coffee. So
We don't have 16 pounds in the last batch we can use.
awesome. So in this case, we got 16 pounds, and that means we got to split our inventory into two. So we got 16.
Yes.
Meaning we need to use 25 pounds from the next batch of inventory.
Yes.
Okay. So this one, 16, right? We know exactly that it's going to give us 29.05.
Yes.
Okay, so therefore I can get rid of my 16 batch here. Now I need to utilize this 125 pounds at how much per item?
I have $1.89.
All right, so how much is that going to give me if I sold 25 pounds at $1.89?
I have $47.25.
$47.25. So let me add these up together because I've sold 41 pounds. So I get 76.30 for my grand total for using my Supreme coffee. So let me go update my inventory real quick. 47.25. All right, because in this case, what's 125 minus 25?
100.
So is that going to give me 190, 189? What was it before?
$236.25.
Yeah, 236.25. Okay, just want to double confirm that the calculation is correct.
No, because we got discount. So, nope. Wait.
Ooh.
No, it's $236.25. Yes. And now we have 189. Yeah.
236.25?
Yes, minus 47.25.
Good, 189. So yeah, in that case, yes, that's even. We already know that because 100 times $1.89 is going to give you 189, but we're just making sure that the math does evenly and that there is no extra penny being somewhere. So in this case, you got 189 left in Supreme. So in this case, you used $47.25. And what happened here? Oh, okay. I see what I did by accident. I zeroed out this number right here. Okay. 2. Okay. So I zeroed out that number, so there you go. I undid it. So there you go. There's all my numbers. Okay, so now I'm at a grand total of 76.30 for my Supreme coffee, and I'm at 66.26 for my regular coffee. Keep hitting the wrong one. I'm sorry. Okay, so again, 66.26 for my regular, 76.30 for my Supreme. Okay. All right, then last but not least, I need to update my ledgers. Okay. Starting with cost of goods sold.
It's 40 and a half. On page 19. Well, 66.26. Give me 1127.26.
Good. 11.27.26.
And then for the Supreme coffee, it's 6.28. 40 pound used. Page 19. it's 7630. Give me 1192.56.
Good. 1192.56.
Yes. And then we go to the asset to update the inventory.
Okay, here's regular coffee.
Yeah. And it's 66.26. Used to 40 pounds. Oh, 40 and a half. Sorry.
No worries. 66.26.
And then we have balance of $90.80.
Right, which looks correct. That
Yeah.
looks correct. Last one here. We use
41 pound on page 19. 7630. Give us $189 even.
yes, which we know, right? We had 100 left in our inventory at $1.89. So good. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop here. So when we come back, we'll go ahead and pay our employees, okay? Yeah, so let's go ahead and take a break real quick. So right now it is 2:40.